If you're alive, subscribe. Okay. Now, we're at a place called Aldi's. Not everyone's favorite place in the book, but I'm going to tell you this. This is actually one of the most easiest places to shop. Everything is right in your face. This 60 items, they're saying 41 minutes. If you can see that, I'm gonna go on and try to knock this thing out. Okay, let's go on and it's gonna be some kind of going back and forth because it's just so much stuff in here, so many different places. So it ain't gonna be no smooth ride. So it ain't gonna be no smooth ride, but it's gonna be a ride. Boom. Don't panic when you come in here. Black beans. 2 black beans. Well, this is a $48 order. Just to let you know. As I tell you, I always try to do everything in an hour. So long as I get this, it'll be done way before an hour. But I mean, I'm just saying that's $48 an hour. $48 an hour? What are they doing that at Instacart. That's what they doing that at. Follow Rickiesworld. And don't get me wrong, all these can be confusing. I ain't gonna tell you, I didn't really understand this place when I first started shopping. Don't panic, I got you guys. I'm showing you guys that these stores ain't all that complicated like they've been making them. Watch out for these boxes sometimes because the boxes don't scan sometimes. So sometimes you gotta manually put it in. Okay. Customers texting. I love when customers text. Good evening. Thank you so much for picking up my order. When you drop it off my building, it's not lettered, but it's the gray building right next to the front entrance. It would be right. Okay, great. Gotcha. This is gonna be on. And this is gonna seem long, but it ain't that long as it seems. Like I said, you will get frustrated in here if you don't really kind of like know where you're going and know what you're doing. Keep an eye on your items because you might pass one up. Okay. Now, let's go see what we got on here. Let's see what they want on the cleaning aisle. want one of these. Always get your dry items first. Be careful, be careful. Always go through to make sure I don't leave an aisle without getting everything there. There's so many items, that's why I'm, you know what I'm saying, I'm just grinding it out. Hold on. Your item, get it. I'm knocking, you see, this is 60 items, I'm knocking them down. Because I'm being patient and I'm taking my time. I'll get all my cold stuff last. That's all what's all for. Let me go ahead and get these candles out the way. I got some candles I gotta get. It should be in the Aldi Finds. How you doing?
I'm good. Are you a shopper?
Yes, ma'am. Are you?
No, but
wow. I just switched every candle out that wasn't too good. Hopefully the customer will text, excuse me, and tell me if they want them or not. Okay. It's gonna be a lot of cold stuff, so I always wait to get that last, and that's gonna go. It's gonna go real quick when I get to that stuff. Excuse me. Let me get my brownie mix. White noodles. Okay. Like I said, this is actually going really, really slow now. And now, I've done that. Now I'm just gonna go down this cold aisle and get everything I need. Shop is going well. A lot of people don't shop at Aldi's, but Aldi's actually is a great store, to be honest. how smooth it's going. Okay, now I'm looking for turkey sausage. Got lucky last pack. Got lucky. This customer is going to be really happy because they're having most of all the stuff, and all these usually don't. They're having almost everything that they can order, which is fabulous. Okay. Great, great, great. Great, great, great. Okay. Man, here we go, here we go. Okay. I have this order, y'all. I'm at 29 minutes on this shop, and I'm almost done. We're almost coming to a close on this one. Almost coming to a close. Okay. You know how everything is always in your face. That's one thing about it. Just gotta look a little hard. Okay. Perfect. We'll be down there if we got some frozen right there. See, it's okay to ask sometimes. Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. See? You gotta humble yourself, and it's okay to ask where stuff is. Okay, now we got a couple of items to grab. We are out of here. They don't have that. That's a original one. Baby, this is almost a wrap. See here, got a little tea to get. There we go. There goes the tea. There goes the tea section. Let's see. Okay, see, watch out for this. Look at this right here. They got it packaged there. They got it packaged a little different. Found. Boom. See? You gotta watch out for stuff like that. Okay. Now, the easy part. Your veggies and your bread. This is the gravy part. It's almost done. Okay. There we go. There we go. My Hawaiian bread. Bananas. There we go. Now, we're a couple items down. Just 2 or 3 items down. Bananas, grapes. Hold, please. And it's that easy, I'm out of here. If you are live, subscribe. Bananas. 1.4. Done. Well, they said 41 minutes. I ain't gonna tell you no lie, that took 37. Whew, that was a doozy. If you're alive, subscribe.